Hi, this is Varakumar, Mathematics faculty. Today you are in the class of grade 12 learning differential equations. So far we have learned the differential equations, how to solve it, right? Okay, in that techniques first variable separable method we have completed. Now we are in the method of homogeneous differential equation. In the earlier video we have learned what is a homogeneous, right? Homogeneous, two problems we completed. Now similarly I want to continue that same thing. Look at the board. If you see on the board, it is an example model question exercise 9.5. Show that the differential equation x cos y by x divided by dx is equal to y cos y by x plus x is homogeneous and solve it. Is homogeneous and solve it. Okay, first let us rewrite the equation. What is given that? Given x cos y by x divided by dx is equal to y cos y by x plus x. Okay, rewrite the equation. Make dy by dx as a subject. Then dy by dx is equal to y cos y by x plus x. Y cos y by x plus x divided by x cos y by x. X cos y by x. Clear? Right. Now let us give it what we got it. Address it as f of x comma y, which is y cos y by x plus x divided by x cos y by x. Now to check the homogeneous or not, yesterday we have learned it. We have to substitute x as lambda x and y as lambda y. So replacing x as lambda x lambda x and y as lambda y. So write it as f of lambda x comma lambda y, which will get it lambda y cos of lambda y by lambda x plus x divided by lambda x into cos of lambda y by lambda x. Clear? Okay. Now here in the cos function lambda cancel, in this also lambda cancel. Now overall from the numerator dy by dx is equal to what we can take it? Lambda we can take out from the numerator. If you take out lambda into cos of y into cos of y by x plus x divided by lambda x cos of y by x. Now lambda cancel, again you are going to get it as lambda power 0 f of x comma y. Lambda power 0 f of x comma y. There is no lambda left over after taking out lambda from each one. Now, so what you can say, if it is like this, I clearly said yesterday, it is homogeneous. Okay, so after homogeneous, now what we need to show that? We have to solve it. We have to solve how? Using the appropriate method. What is the appropriate method? Dy by dx. Here actually if you see that the question it is designed by dy by dx. So dy by dx. So y is equal to vx method we are supposed to take it. Okay, let us write what is the equation now. Dy by dx is equal to y cos y by x plus x by x cos y by x. Okay, now let us take y by x is equal to v or y is equal to vx. Y is equal to x because it is in the form of dy by x. That is the reason. Now differentiating this one with respect to x, differentiating on both sides with respect to x we get. With respect to x we get what is getting? Dy by dx is equal to v. This is the formula how? U v dash. What is that? U dash v plus v dash u or u v dash plus v dash u. So now v dash into x plus x v dash. So what you can write it? Dy by dx is equal to v dash dv by dx into x dash. Okay, plus 1 into v. Now what we are going to get it now? dv by dx stands for v plus x dv by dx. V plus x dv by dx. Now this whole equation need to be substituted in this. Okay, let us write it. So right now v plus x dv by dx is equal to y stands for vx cos y by x as v plus x divided by x stands for cos of v. So what I am taking, y is equal to vx or y by x is equal to v. This one I am going to substitute in that. Now here v plus x dv by dx. Now from the numerator and the denominator, if you see that one, x will be cancelled. So v plus v cos v plus 1 by cos v. So what is happening? X will take out and cancel the both. Now what is left? V plus x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus cos v by cos v. 1 plus v cos v. 1 plus v cos v by cos v. Now this v you have to carry that side. So it becomes x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus cos v by 1 plus v cos v by cos v minus v. Now x dv by dx. So take out cos v as LCM. Now 1 plus v cos v minus v cos v LCM. After LCM minus v cos v. Now here v cos v both cancel. So we'll get it as x dv by dx is equal to 1 by cos v. 1 by cos v. Now we can do the variable separable method. We can separate the x and v terms. Then we can do the integration. So now cos v carry here. Cos v dv is equal to dx by x. Dx by x. Now what we are supposed to do? Applying integration on both sides. So applying integration on both sides. Applying integration on both sides we get. Applying integration on both sides we get. So then it turns as integration cos v dv is equal to integration dx by x. So integration cos is sine. So it is sine v is equal to log modulus x, and arbitrary constant you can take normal arbitrary constant or you can take logarithm also. But here logarithm, right? So I am taking logarithm constant. Now it is looking like log a plus log b. So I can take it as sin b is equal to log ab xc, log a plus log b. Many times I have said you how to take that. So this is log a and this is log b. This is log a, this is log b. So it becomes log ab. This is log ab. Then sin b is equal to log xc or log cx. Then at starting what we have taken, b stands for y by x. Substitute y by x in that. So it becomes totally the equation it becomes sin y by x is equal to log modulus xc on cx. Log modulus xc on cx. Clear? So this is called as a general solution of the differential equation, which completes the solution.